your sloppy face.
Hey, what you doing?
No.
The puppy is going to you, Grandpa. The puppy is behind you, Grandpa. Even Bruno, watch out.
Move!
Oh my God, down, we can't see you. Sophia's trying to make a video here.
Little Mario!
No, you stay.
Bruno!
Bruno already left. Put him down there. Put him over there in the yard so she can smell the yard and maybe has to go to the bathroom over there.
Sloppy blue dog. Sloppy blue.
Hello, I named it Molly. Put it down. And Bruno, try to behave. The action's coming.
Sloppy blue. Come here, Molly girl.
Fine. He's too heavy. Isabel's like, come here. I don't know what she's talking about.
He's gonna fall between the cracks in the deck.
What? Okay, put it down.
I got it. Yes, I did. I did it. How? Tap on the next one. Oh, this is gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Super hard. Super hard. I don't want to hit the door.
Oh, she's crying. Mark 5, we need... Let's take the video off.